Welcome to Ressun lukio. My name is Tiina Nurmi and I'm the admissions coordinator. And in this presentation, I will tell you about our IB section. We will discuss what exactly is an IB diploma program, what our brand new IB school building is like, which diploma program subjects are offered in our school, Ressun lukio, and how you can apply. Our school has been authorized by the International Baccalaureate Organization as an IB diploma school. If you want to find out more about the IB, please visit their website www.ibo.org. There are over 5,000 IB schools in the world, and in Finland there are 16 schools that have been authorized to teach the diploma program. Ressun lukio was founded in 1891, and we've also been an IB World School for almost 20 years, since autumn 2002. Currently, our intake for the IB section is 100 students a year. Since our IB section has grown over the years, we are now in a situation where we operate in two buildings. The Finnish lukio students are in the main building in Kalevankatu 8 to 10, and for the IB section, we have a new building in Ruoholahdenkatu 23. Ruoholahdenkatu 23 is in the Kamppi area of Helsinki. It's about a 15-minute walk from our main building or a 20-minute walk from the main railway station. The area is served by two metro stations, either Kamppi or Ruoholahti, or a variety of buses and trams. Ruoholahdenkatu 23 is an old building, but as a school it is brand new because it was converted to a school building only last year. We share this building with Ressu Comprehensive School, but both the schools have their own separate areas in the building. Our students study on the top floors. One of the highlights of the building is the spacious library for our diploma students. All the classrooms and science labs are brand new, and they offer our students excellent facilities for diploma program study. On the first floor, the students have a big cafeteria where they can eat their lunch. In addition, diploma program students have their own lounge kitchen on the fifth floor, where they can spend time if, for example, they have a skip lesson. Many of our students could also have chosen the Finnish lukio program. So why choose the diploma program then? Well, for many of the students, the reason they decided to opt for the diploma was that English was a very strong language for them, or alternatively, they wanted to learn to use English very fluently. In the IB diploma, you also get to focus intensively on your chosen subjects, because in the diploma you only do 6 subjects. You also get to know your classmates very well, because you will be studying with the same people throughout the 3 years. And the IB diploma offers excellent preparation for university studies. If you have decided to apply to a diploma program, you still have many schools to choose from. So why choose Ressu IB specifically? Well, first of all, our location is very central and we are very easy to reach using public transport. The facilities are modern and up to date because the building is brand new. Our teachers and students are very motivated, and we have almost 20 years of IB Diploma program experience. Our students' results in the finals and with university entrance are excellent. We offer a wide range of diploma program subjects. We can say that we truly offer an international program, both because of the student body and also because the many partner schools we have abroad. Because we are a large school, a combination of the diploma program and a Finnish lukio, there are all kinds of extra courses, projects, activities going on the whole time. People often ask where our students come from. When we take in 100 students into the preparatory year, about 75% of them come from a Finnish comprehensive school. About 25% come from abroad, in quotation marks. And that means that their school might actually have been in Helsinki even, but it was a school like International School of Helsinki or European School, which are not Finnish comprehensive schools, and that's why they are in the abroad category. We do not admit students who are planning to move to Finland alone. So our students need to have their guardian with them in Finland. Our typical student profile is that most of our students have at some point lived outside of Finland, or possibly they have an international background, maybe a parent or both parents who originally came from some other country. They may have previously studied in a language other than Finnish. Finnish is not a compulsory language at all in our program, so that we have students who don't speak any Finnish. But we also have students who come from a totally Finnish background and choose to study Finnish as a language A. The IB section is a 3-year program. The first year is the preparatory year, and after that follows the 2-year diploma program, year 1 and year 2. In the pre-year, all the teaching is in English, except for the languages. So if you choose to study Finnish as a mother tongue, you will be taught in Finnish in that class. The goal of the pre-year is to familiarize the students with the IB Diploma program and all the subjects that we offer in Ressun lukio. So there is no need for you to worry about your subject choices in advance. Everything will become very clear during the pre-year. The pre-year is also an excellent choice for those students who have not studied in English before, so they will get to learn English properly before the diploma program starts. Our students can also take extra courses from the Finnish lukio if they have time for that. And during the pre-year, a student has to do a minimum of 25 courses. If you pass them and all the compulsory courses successfully, you can then automatically proceed to diploma program year 1. The IB Diploma program is a 2-year program where you study 6 subjects. In addition, you do the core subjects extended SAT, OK and CAS. And in the end, you will take your final exams in May of your final year. Our diploma students also take part in all the traditions of Finnish upper secondary schools, such as the second-year dance, vanhat tanssit, and of course penkkarit for celebrating end of studies. In the IB Diploma program, you study 6 subjects, and usually you take one subject from each of the 6 groups. Out of those 6 subjects, 3 subjects are normally studied at higher level, so that is a longer course, and 3 subjects at standard level. Every student studies 2 languages and mathematics. These are the diploma program subjects we offer in our school. In Group 1, the best language, we teach English A and Finnish A, and it is also possible for a student to take both. In that case, they won't need to take any Group 2 subjects at all. But the other option is to take one Group A subject and then something from Group 2. We offer English B, Finnish B, French B, and also German ab initio for those students who want to start a new language from zero. In Group 3 we have economics, history, psychology, and environmental systems and societies, ESS for short. In Group 4 we have biology, chemistry, physics, and again ESS, which can be taken either as a Group 3 or as a Group 4 subject. And in Group 5 mathematics, we offer both analysis and approaches and applications and interpretation. In Group 6, our students get to choose another subject from Groups 1 to 4. There are also a few special cases. It is possible for our students to choose to specialize in sciences and study biology, chemistry, and physics, in addition to the 2 languages and mathematics. This is a useful subject combination for those who want to apply to study medicine at university. For a student who wants to study more than usual, it is also possible to take 4 higher level subjects instead of the normal 3. Or alternatively, instead of just doing the regular 6 subjects, you could even do an extra certificate in a 7th subject. And last but not least, we'll discuss the core subjects, CAS, TOK, and extended essay. Every IB diploma student in the whole world will always do these 3 core subjects. CAS, creativity, activity and service, means that you participate in creative activities, sports, community service every week, and you get to come up with your own CAS program. Nobody tells you what to do exactly. You can do those activities that you are interested in. You will also be involved in TOK, a theory of knowledge course intended to stimulate critical reflection. And then you will get to do an independent research project called the extended essay, which is written in one of the IB subjects that you've studied. And this is one of the reasons why universities really appreciate IB diploma graduates, because they have done research work already in their school. At the end of your IB diploma studies, you will hopefully get the IB diploma. And this diploma will be awarded to the student who has successfully completed all the required segments. The grading scale in the IB diploma is from 1 to 7, and 7 is the highest grade. When you study 6 subjects and you can get maximum 7 for each of them, that could give you 42 points. In addition, you can get up to 3 bonus points based on how well your TOK and your extended essay went. So the maximum total score possible in the IB diploma is 45. The results will be published at the start of July, and the IB diploma meets general university requirements in over 100 countries, also in Finland. So you are not required to take the Finnish matriculation examination. And when the results come out in July, the actual diplomas arrive in the school either at the end of August or at the start of September, which is when we'll have the graduation ceremony before university studies start. So where do Ressu IB Diploma graduates go after leaving our school? We know that about 50% of our students do their first university degree in Finland, and Aalto University and the University of Helsinki are the most popular choices. But some students have gone on to study at university in Sweden, in Estonia, in Spain, France, Poland, Ireland, and Belgium. The Netherlands is currently a very popular destination country as well. Some students have even gone to university in South Africa, the USA. We've sent students to Harvard, Brown, and Columbia. And some students have gone to Canada and Argentina. By far the most popular destination country has been the UK. And our students have gone to, I suspect, pretty much any university in existence there. For example, out of our most recent graduates, in May 2020, one of our graduates went to Oxford, another went to Cambridge. The universities in London have also been very popular choices for our students. But in addition to London, our students have gone to other universities in England, in Wales, and in Scotland. So there is a great variety of places for students to go and study in. So if you are interested in applying to our diploma program, how should you go about it? Well, if you are currently in a Finnish comprehensive school, all you need to do is to apply in the joint application system, yhteishaku, online by the deadline given according to the instructions of your present school. We will have at least 75 places available for applicants from Finnish comprehensive schools, and the admission decisions will be based simply on the grade point average only, in the same way as for any other regular lukio program. Just note that our Finnish language lukio section and the IB section are separate entities in the application system. Make sure that you are applying to the section you want, and make sure that you place the schools you are applying to in the order of preference. So your favorite choice should be your number one, and so on. If you are applying from abroad, or if you are applying from a school in Finland that is not a comprehensive school, so it does not provide you with a Finnish GPA that you could use in the joint application system, then your application process will be slightly different. And we will have 25 places maximum available for applicants in this route. You too will apply online using the National Joint Application System by the deadline given. But because you don't have the grade point average, you have to send us some more information. There are 2 forms that you have to send in, an application form and then your present school's appraisal form. Both of these forms are available on our website. In addition, you need to send us a copy of your latest school report. And also remember that check that you are applying to the correct section. The Finnish lukio section is a separate section and our IB section is a separate section. So if you want to come to the IB section, make sure you've applied to the correct place. If you still have questions that you would like to get answers for, you are welcome to contact me via email. Also double check that you noticed the 2021 application info sheet on our website. It's got a lot of detail about the applications process. And if you want to see what goes on in our school every day, you can follow us on Instagram or on Facebook. You are welcome to apply to study in our IB Diploma section. Thank you for listening to this presentation.